Today I am reviewing the Apple 2025 MacBook Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2025 MacBook Pro is a true powerhouse in the world of professional laptops. With the next-generation M5 chip featuring a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this 14.2-inch MacBook Pro combines blazing performance, advanced AI capabilities, and stunning display technology in a sleek and portable design. Whether you're a creative professional, a developer, a student, or someone who simply demands top-tier performance, this laptop delivers on every front. Let's start with performance. The M5 chip is built not just for raw speed, but also for intelligent, on-device AI. With a 10-core CPU, the MacBook Pro handles multitasking, coding, video editing, 3D rendering, and graphics-intensive games with ease and precision. The 10-core GPU brings next-level graphics performance, supporting complex 3D designs, professional photo and video editing, and seamless high-resolution gaming or simulations. Each core even includes a neural accelerator, allowing AI-driven tasks to run faster than ever, whether it's photo enhancement, predictive text, or machine learning projects. Memory and storage are equally impressive. This model comes with 16 GB of unified memory, enabling ultra-smooth multitasking and app switching. Large projects in Adobe Creative Cloud, Xcode, or Final Cut Pro load effortlessly, and you can work across multiple demanding apps without any slowdowns. The 1TB SSD storage ensures lightning-fast file access, boot times, and app launches, giving you plenty of space for projects, media libraries, and software. Now, the display is breathtaking. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display features up to 1,600 nits peak brightness, a 1:0,0,0,0,0 to 1 contrast ratio, and incredible color accuracy. Watching movies, editing photos, or designing graphics is a joy with this level of visual fidelity. True-to-life colors, deep blacks, and crisp details make it perfect for professional creative work or immersive entertainment. The MacBook Pro also shines in connectivity and versatility. It features 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, MagSafe 3 charging, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, and a headphone jack. You can easily connect multiple external displays, high-speed storage devices, or professional peripherals for a complete workstation setup. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, the MacBook Pro adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Apple has also focused on camera, audio, and collaboration features. The 12MP center stage camera keeps you perfectly framed during video calls, while 3 studio-quality microphones and 6 high-fidelity speakers with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support ensure crystal-clear audio for calls, recordings, or entertainment. Pair this with macOS's seamless integration with other Apple devices, and you can mirror your iPhone, copy and paste between devices, send messages, and even answer FaceTime calls directly on your Mac, creating a truly connected ecosystem. Battery life is another standout feature. Despite its power, the MacBook Pro offers all-day battery performance, allowing you to work, create, or play without constantly worrying about recharging. Combined with the lightweight and compact design, this laptop balances performance and portability perfectly. Software is equally optimized. macOS on M5 delivers lightning-fast app performance, from Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud to productivity, creative, and AI-based apps. The system feels responsive, fluid, and future-proof, ensuring your investment remains relevant for years. In conclusion, the Apple 2025 MacBook Pro 14.2-inch with M5 chip is a next-generation powerhouse designed for professionals, creatives, and tech enthusiasts who demand performance, versatility, and elegance. With its 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, Liquid Retina XDR display, 16 GB unified memory, 1 TB SSD, advanced AI, and all-day battery life, it's a laptop that excels in productivity, creativity, and entertainment, making it one of the most capable MacBooks ever built. Whether you're editing 4K video, rendering complex 3D graphics, streaming, or simply enjoying media on the go, The M5 MacBook Pro sets a new standard for what a professional laptop can do.